So the temperature outside is -5. And the temperature inside is around +5. But I have to do a surfboard repair for someone, and to get the resin to cure properly is taking a little while. So I also have a fin there because I'm trying to repair that as well. But I have a light bulb set up in a box, an incandescent light bulb. So that way it heats the patch. But I don't want to overheat the board, so I have it set up to a temperature controller right here, set to about, with the set point set to 28 and 30. So 28 being the low point, 30 being the high point. And once it reaches temperature, it automatically shuts off the light bulb and keeps the temperature within range. And this works really well. So anyways, that's how I am dealing with cold weather and a surfboard repair, especially when I want to get done quickly. And here you can see I have the temperature probe taped down to the surface of the board. And that's kind of like what the repair looks like now. I got a piece of glass on it. Looks pretty good. All done. And the temperature in here is about 5 degrees.